Today, we're transforming this space with Camo's revolutionary decking solutions. The Camo wedge clip has a screw made from 316 stainless steel. These clips are built to resist corrosion, making them perfect for any environment, even coastal areas. And there you have it, a beautiful sturdy deck built with Camo fasteners, reliable system, ready for years of enjoyment. Build smarter, faster, and stronger with Camo. Experience the future of decking. The Camo system comes complete in one box. Building made better with Camo Deck in a Box.